My guys, it's me, Kelvin2HO. It's not a gaming video, but I want to show you this. Oh my god, look at this. It is raining real hard. I'm serious. Look at that. Look. I'm gonna see if I can open the window a little bit. Look. If you can hear that thunder, you can hear that thunder. It is really wet outside. I mean, oh my god. Must be the connection. Like, oh, it's a Domino's pizza. Right there. It's the Domino's pizza. Hey. Oh, okay. But seriously, cars are passing by. Oh my god, this is incredible. I mean, I've seen a thunderstorm. I am not dumb, okay? I've seen a thunderstorm before. But I live in New Jersey. And no, not Newark. I live in Hopakon. But it's really, I gotta say tone. Like, it's... Look where I live. Okay, well, let's see. Oh, God, it's gonna be hard. Okay. That is where I live. Yikes, look at that. Did you see the thunder? Did you guys see the thunder? I think I just saw it. The clouds are mad. Dun, dun, dun. I'm joking. Okay. But it's really awesome how it's like raining really hard. But that's what I want to show you. That's all. Like if you're seeing my videos and you're like in like Florida or somewhere else and you don't get a lot of rain, well, I see it. Lots of rain and thunder. So, I'm gonna do a video like in the summer, and me in the beach, maybe, be like, okay, so, see you guys, peace out, bye.